ancient ones understood order.
Peace and blessings. This is your brother Kepra hollering at you. This evening I'm going to talk about cosmology and how cosmology is the study of order. We may conclude that it is the study of not only the movements of stars and planets, but also the interaction of forces in a world that functions throughout cycles. The ancient ones had a beautiful awareness of the universe and the interacting forces at play. Sometimes their mythologies are in fact stories of interaction, of things taking place not only within our solar system but outside as well. We also see how the universe, and that is the energy of the universe, goes from being the subtlest to the grossest, and the shaping of matter into form through sound. So be careful of the sounds that you utter, my sisters and brothers, because that which you say out loud and the words you repeat over and over again in your mind is also shaping your inner being. And a lot of times what we're seeing that's taking place around us is your inner world coming out to the surface. So this interaction of energy coming into form and leaving form has a lot to do with expansion and contraction. Sound is responsible for the shaping of unformed matter into geometric proportions. And in fact, the word universe also can be divided into uni, that is one, and verse, phrase or song. It also, in this case, deals with the song of the cosmos and the divine harmonic proportions in which our universe is shaped. Hence, Pythagoras, who had studied in Kemet for over 22 years, as well as other parts of the ancient world, saw the planets being connected with musical notes. And just as we ourselves breathe in and breathe out, the expanding universe is always not only expanding, but contracting in certain areas as well. Parts of the universe is constantly breaking itself down, while other parts of the universe is building itself up. Even those who may seem to be chaotic, that is, those things that seem to be chaotic, are not necessarily random. The ancient masters of wisdom understood that what we saw play out in the outer cosmos were in fact reflections of these forces playing out within us as well. So the universe is evolving and revolving. The word universe also breaks down to mean turn into one or one turn. Perhaps the ancient teachings of the Buddha is onto something when it speaks of us being on a karmic wheel known as the samsara. Anyway, just a thought for this evening. Hopefully everything goes well with you and your family, in that you are constantly evolving and experiencing beautiful things, that you make discoveries on your journey. Peace and blessings, my sisters and brothers. Kepra Pata out.